I love you. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. In today's video, as you could see from the title, this is my step-by-step super beginner friendly lace melt, glueless lace melt, that is, using this wig that I got from XRSBEAUTY Hair. So they went ahead and sent me a clear lace, really clear lace, okay, super undetectable on your head. Once you get that melt, girl, undetectable. Even without the melt, y'all are gonna see in the tutorial how undetectable this lace is. It is in 200 density. It is a 13x6 lace frontal wig, and it is in 24 inches. So the 24 inches is about waist length, and might I add, this hair is super thick from the top to the ends, and I am so here for that. 200 density is a lot, but it was super manageable to straighten. And this wig is like top tier. No other lace that I've ever worked with has matched or came anywhere near this lace. This lace is super duper undetectable, and the hairline was pre-plucked, came pre-plucked. So as you guys can see, yeah, she is giving what she is supposed to give, okay? I am loving the results. The end result is everything. The melt is everything. The hair is everything, okay? I'm gonna stop rambling now, so let's just jump into the tutorial so I could show you guys how to get your hair like this. This is super beginner friendly, and I hope if you are a beginner, just get this wig, watch this video, and install the wig with this video. I promise you, you will not miss a beat. Like, your wig will look just like my wig. The links will be in the description box to purchase if you'd like to purchase this wig from XRSBEAUTY Hair. And let's jump into the tutorial. So I'm gonna just go ahead and roll up my sleeves because I do want to show you guys just these lace samples that I got. So I'm gonna just go ahead and do just 2 samples. This is your regular, typical, average brown lace. As you guys can see, it's brown lace. It shows on my skin complexion. I don't usually use brown lace. I more gravitate to transparent lace, and this is what the transparent lace looks like. It's still white, but at least I know I can tint it to blend in with my skin tone. And I'm gonna just show you guys how I melt this lace into my scalp. Pretty much this is their new clear lace. Clean, clear. Do you guys see that? I'm sure you can't see that. That's literally how good it is. Like, oh my gosh. So what I am gonna do is just go ahead and spray some of my lace adhesive on here. It's liquid. But as you can see, let me just, boom. What lace? What lace? This is absolutely amazing. This new technology, this new lace here, she is hitting. So this is their clear lace sample. So I'm gonna just go ahead and remove this now. But this is literally top tier, good quality, the best lace I've probably ever had. So thank you so much, XRS, and let's just continue with the tutorial. Hey mamas, so I've never worked with this company before. It's called XRSBEAUTY, and they sent me a whole bunch of lace samples to show you guys. And I'm also gonna let you guys know this wig is not tinted. Everything came just like this. Do you see how nice and plucked the hairline is? How nice and plucked it is? Yeah, they did that. They pre-plucked this wig, so I didn't have to. And this quality is literally so amazing. Like, the lace, do you see that? Oh no, because it's blended, right? Yeah, so their company came up with this new lace technique, method, situation, material, where their lace is literally clear lace. I don't have to tint this. This is matching my skin tone, and I think this is crazy. Like, I've never had any wig like this before. This beats HD lace for sure, and this is top tier, 10 out of 10. If HD lace is HD lace, this is ultra HD lace, because it does have like the fray ends to show you that it is made with HD lace material, but the color is literally so universal. You can match it to any skin tone. For this unit, I'm gonna do a middle part. It is 200 density, and it is straight, of course, 13x6 frontal. So let's just jump into it. Right now, what I am gonna do is go ahead and make this wig super flat. So to begin flattening my wig, I'm gonna be using my Kenra medium hold spray in number 13. This does not leave your hair hard and crunchy, which is why I love it. It's almost like you did not put any product on your hair, but it does hold and does sleek everything and anything down. So I would definitely recommend you picking this up. It's at the beauty supply store. Actually, it is also at Ulta. This is where I got it from, Ulta. So let's jump into it. You want to just start off by parting your hair like so. I'm gonna just part right here and just spray this hair just a little bit. My She Is Bomb wax stick. You can get this wax stick from the beauty supply store. I'm pretty sure any and every store has this wax stick, but I'm gonna just put it down on the hair like this, and once I do that, the wig is bound to be flat. See, it's literally flat already. All I need to do now is seal it in with my hot comb. Every girl needs one, especially if you do wigs. So you can hear that sizzle. That means it's working. So you just want to go in and make sure that it's flat. I'm going to continue this process on the whole hair until I get the desired look and part that I'm going for.
Let me tell you about this girl, maybe I shouldn't. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brown Sugar. See, we been making love constantly, that's why my eyes are a shade blood burgundy. The way that we kiss is unlike any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing what I'm missing, won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off your love, I don't know how to behave.
Literally, look at the difference. Look at why you need a hot comb. Imagine if we did not have a hot comb. Literally, I would have to keep brushing or keep flat ironing until everything gets flat, but this is just so perfect. You guys see the difference? It's giving flat water. It's giving mountain, hills, and valleys. We don't want that. So I'm gonna do this side off camera and come right back. Okay, hey babe, what's up? In my grill or whatever, but this is the Kenra spray. I'm gonna use it here just to lay these hairs back, just to show you guys how gorgeous this is. Do you see that? Get into that, because this is like the best pre-plucked lace wig period I've ever had in my whole entire life. I don't even want to do baby hairs. I feel like I'm gonna get grown and sexy. I'm not doing baby hairs. I don't need it. I don't need the baby hairs. Not today. Maybe tomorrow. Maybe never with this wig. No baby hairs.
it goes. Brown sugar got me open. Now I want some more. Always down for all my nauseous wine, but I think I'm here to solo. Who my niggas don't mind. Stick out my tongue and I'm about ready to hit this gritty, pretty bitty with persistence. Yo, I don't think y'all hit me.
You guys, I am so shook right now. I am so shook because this lace literally blends with my skin tone. I did not use a lace tint. I did not use a lace tint, and y'all can see that. And do you see this? Do you see this quality? Like, this is insane. So I don't have Got to Be Glued, but I do have Eben or Eben New York. It is their lace adhesive, like the spray version. So it's like a Got to Be Glue. It's like a hairspray. This will keep your hair stiff. It's definitely giving adhesive. So I'm gonna just spray that on the lace real quick just to melt it into my skin better. What I'm gonna do now is just go ahead, spray this down, tie my hair down, and I'm gonna just start straightening. And once I'm back, I'll show you guys the reveal, because this lace is freaking amazing. Okay, that's all I gotta say. It's amazing.
Then dip me underway. You can feel my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby.
You guys, 10 out of 10. Go tell your mama, tell your grandma, tell your aunties, tell your cousins, tell everybody to go get this wig, because what kind of sorcery is this? Like, they're onto something, okay? They're onto something. If it was a gift to give to somebody I really like, I would get it from them, because this wig is not only super flat and super thick at the same time. The lace is everything. So that is pretty much it. I don't have anything negative to say. This clear lace is crazy. Like, if you haven't gotten into it, get into it. Get on it. Get on their website. The links will be in the description box to purchase this wig. I'm gonna just tilt the camera down just a little bit so you guys can see like the full hair, and it'll definitely be in the intro, like the whole length of the hair and all. It is about waist length, and I am loving it because this hair is full from the top to the ends. I'm loving it. XRS Beauty, you did that. The clear lace is real clear lace. It's super undetectable on my head, and the clean hairline is so much more natural than your average lace, because what it does is pretty much pre-plucked to look like your natural hairline, and I'm so here for that. I am loving this wig. It's super flat in the back, and that is what I am here for. Like, this is definitely gonna be my vacation wig, my go-to wig when I want something straight, sleek, and still with some fullness to it. This is what I'm definitely going to be gravitating to. So thank you so much to XRSBEAUTY Hair for sending me this gorgeous wig. The links will be in the description box. And if you are a beginner, I hope you enjoyed this video, this tutorial. I really went in depth, and I pretty much just showed you guys how to put this wig on. It's already pre-plucked, so it's super beginner friendly. And thank you so much again to XRSBeauty for sending me this gorgeous wig. I absolutely am so in love, so stoked to be working with you guys because this lace is phenomenal. But I'm definitely gonna go ahead and just head out because I do have an appointment to get to. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you lovely ladies in my next one. Bye babes.